And that's the theme, the topic I want to get across in today's video to you, that I think the secret to Forex success, if there is one at all, and it's not just Forex success, it's trading in general, I think you have to find a team. And there's two reasons for that. And one we're going to talk about as I go to the next slide. You'll see this is from my friend Bart, who's all the way over in Europe. He loves the VIP chat. Now, the time frames are completely different, right? Like, he's literally across the world, thousands of miles away from me, right? But because of the internet, because we live in this digital age, in case you didn't know, because of that, we're able to trade together every single day. Now, he's one of many people. As you can see, I took this picture when we were still just under 300 members, but he's one of the 300 plus people that's active with me every day, asking questions, looking at charts, and trying to become a better trader. And that, again, starts in the foundation of teamwork. So the active coaching is a great piece of any team. And I think whether you decide to come trade with us at ASFX or you go looking for another team, I'm not here to just sell you ASFX. Find a team that works for you. But I think that active coaching, that active mentorship is a must. If the person or team that you're working with is not actively trading with you, it doesn't have to be the same system, but if they're not actively trading with you in some way every day, showing that they're actually trading, I would not be going down that road. I would look for someone that's actually putting money into the market. The group itself, I think, has to be open-minded, whether, again, it's ASFX or any group you work with. The guy that's trading with you, the team that you're trading with, should be open-minded and positive. I think they go hand in hand. The open-mindedness keeps you willing to look at new ideas, new ways of making money. And that goes back to what I've been saying a lot lately, which is that I think every successful trader needs to be consistently flexible. I actually took that from this book right here. That's Dr. Steenbarger's Trading Psychology 2.0. The idea that we want to be consistently, which means always, consistently flexible. So always adaptable. That's the way I hear that. And a lot of these new traders come into the group and they learn with me and with the experienced traders in our team how to be consistently flexible, how to be open-minded. And I think it shows in our actions. We're positive, we're open-minded, we're willing to entertain any idea. I had a tinfoil hat conversation with Dave today in the chat. I'll go in any direction and I try my best, and this is what I try to share with everybody, that we want to sit in the middle, sit unbiased, and take in information to make a better decision going forward with. Does that make sense? Garth, another one of our ASFX coaches who's left us a great testimonial, he was struggling before he came to us. He's actually from South Africa, living in Dubai. I think he is somewhere in the Middle East right now. At the time of making this video, who knows where he's going to be in a couple of months from now. He's all over the place. But his goal in coming into us was he was looking for consistency. And when we spoke, I told him the systems are there. They're tested, they're proven. And I think there's other profitable systems out there as well, not just ASFX. I know other people make money trading with other systems. So where's the difference maker? Where do you get that consistency from? If I can find a winning system, we can test things and we can prove that. Where do we get the consistency? Teamwork. It's in the people that are around you. And this goes into my bigger point of the two as far as why I think teamwork is so big. It's the accountability. It's knowing that you're going to ask to be held to a certain standard, and then the people around you are actually going to hold you to that to see you grow. And they're going to call you on it. If you don't step up, when you say, hey, hold me accountable to this, if you don't do it, the people in our group are going to call you on it. There's actually